Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will walk you through the conditional formatting. This way will help you manage your staff's time in and time out. Before we start, click subscribe to watch more videos. Welcome back again. This video, I will show you how to create conditional format for the employee's time in and time out. So, this means that when the employee signed in late, it will show the red format and red text in a specific column, and also red text when employees signed out early. This way help you easily manage your employees' work hours. So, before I start with the conditional formatting, I firstly add two new views for sign in and sign out. Go to UX, then click Add a new view. So this first view is for sign in table. Add another view for sign out table. After adding both views, we can just click to see the list of signed in and signed out. In both views, I don't want to see the add sign here, so I have to turn them off. To do that, go to Behavior and look for Sign in View, then look for Add. At Position, click Hide. So now we can't see the add sign anymore. Do the same thing to Sign Out view. Now it's time to create a conditional format for the sign-in view. We're going to highlight with red text in column time if the employee signed in late. To make this conditional formation works, make sure your company work only one shift a day. First, go to UX, then go to Format Rules. Then click New Format Rule to add a new rule. Rename the format rule. Choose the table you want to format the rule. In here, you have to choose a column you want to format. So, in this case, I choose column time. Click on the conditional formatting rules to add the formula. Go to Examples. Choose the conditional formatting you want. Edit the formula if it's not what you want. Then click Save. Choose the colors to highlight and format your text. I go back to edit my formula, because in this case, my companies start work at 7 a.m. in the morning and finish at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So sign-in time must be before 7 o'clock. Click Save when you've finished editing. So now you will see the red text and red format highlight the rows according to the conditional formatting rule. If the employees sign in before 7 o'clock, the text is normal. But if the employees sign in at or after 7 o'clock, the text will highlight red. So we're going to do the same thing to sign out table. Add new format rule. Rename the rule. Choose the table. Choose the column. Add the conditional format. So here I edit my conditional rule to 3 p.m. because my company finished work at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Add format colors. Now you will see the highlight text. Hit Save to save the changes. Now we're going to test both views, the sign in view and sign out view. In this case, I set the time manually, but we can hide this and set the time automatically when the employees sign in and sign out. This is to make sure that they can't change or edit the time to sign in and sign out. So now it works great for the sign-in. Great. So now we're going to test the sign out view. Both views work great. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful. If you find this video is helpful, please click subscribe to watch my further videos.